Hello everybody. Today I am going to transform myself into an Asian baby girl. Something that I've always wanted to try since last year. So let's get into the transformation. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do lots of K-pop and makeup related content. You can follow me at charissahoo on Instagram, TikTok and on Twitter for more behind the scenes stuff. Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's get started. I have some body tattoos, getting ready for that look. And of course I have boba, as what you Americans call it. In Singapore we call it bubble tea, okay? This is from LIHO. How many of you like chewing pearls like this? Raise your hands. Well, basically we need a flawless base, so I am starting out Tarte Multitasking Foundation, Tarte Shape Tape.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that
A bit thicker than I normally would. This is not the Korean natural makeup anymore. It has to be very much more sculpted than the normal Korean makeup, which means the bronzer is very important. The Tarte Amazonian Clay palette. So this one, I'm going to use a combination of these two shades to get my face sculpted. So number one would be the nose, okay? Use a brush, pick up the medium contour color, and we are going to just like pack it along the nose. Now it looks very harsh, but I'm going to blend it out, I promise. So I'm just trying to like lay it on there and on here as well. Really want to make that nose really sharp. Really want to make that nose really sharp. Really want to make that nose really sharp. Let's blend this out. Do a powdering to set everything in place. I'm gonna show you what I do instead of baking, because your girl has very dry skin, she can't bake. So I just put the powder on my beauty blender like this, and especially on the oily areas or easily crease areas like my under eyes and also my nose area, I just pat the powder in like this. So I'm not letting the powder like sit on for like too long, but I am forcing my skin to kind of adhere to the powder, so this kind of gives a really matte and long-lasting effect. And now I'm just gonna powder. We solved it, girl. My order is cheese foam green tea with brown sugar pearls. Oh, that's amazing. The fmgt designing eyebrow pencil. This brow is snatched, you know, at higher point. This one just needs to follow, so I'll be right back. Concealer under my eyebrow to give it a real lift. I could have been more precise with this, but I'm just using my finger to kind of dab it down, get it in place, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it out. Always do for that snatch also. They also do this, hold on. They also do the snatch above, so that you can really get that shape.
maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming.
I'm going to be using this brow liner from Makeup Forever. This is the, yeah, it's just a brow liner.
Know that you're coming back.
Really pointy. Use this like kind of brown mascara that has a little bit of a tint. This is from Ari Taum and it's very old and disgusting, but I'm still gonna use it because I am disgusting. My brows are really on fleek. Ooh. Going to go with this palette again. We're taking some of the brown shades. I'm gonna try these two and kind of do a little contour and then darken the crease, blah blah blah. Actually, it's kind of normal makeup if you ask me. To deepen the crease with a slightly darker shade. Bringing this shade down to the bottom as well, just to unify everything. This shade right here, this dark one. Just putting it on the edge of the eye. So just right here. So this is the eye makeup so far. Let's do the eyeliner, and this will be the very crucial. From here, I start to wing it out. Okay, do you see that? Look at this eye. And you look compared to this eye, it just has that lift, like it's just so much more than this eye. So I don't draw my eyeliner, I don't start from here, I start here instead. Okay, so I just made my line really fat, something like this, and I'm gonna do it for the other eye. Eyelashes, another very important part of this whole transformation. So I'm using these from Tarte, and they are very long, and they're gonna be freaking nice. Putting my eyelashes. It's a very disgusting lip liner. It's disgusting because down here I am overlining. Artist Liquid Matte in 103 color. Oh! There's no blush needed. Now I need to put on an outfit. Okay, we're gonna put these on my fat arm right here. Okay. Sweat! Oof, I'm wet. I'm very wet. Hello. I have a tattoo. Oh! Next!
6.5 hours later.
Charissahoo can't come to the phone right now because she's dead. Ooh, sorry guys, I really don't know myself. I'm very gooped and gagged. Tease it. Hit this brand. I'm gonna use this styling energizer thickener volumizant thingum, and I'm just going to put it in my hair. My hair a little bit of a flip, and now I'm going to use a leave-in conditioner just to smooth out these things. Go.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. No.
I really like this. I don't know about you, but tattoos are kind of slimming. I'm such a bimbo. If you guys got shocked for this transformation, you've never seen this side of me before, please comment down below, okay? I'm sorry to shock you guys, but I really wanted to try something fun. Just really put on lots of makeup, feel some kind of fantasy, and I'm very happy to have done it on screen today with you guys. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more free K-pop dance tutorials and makeup tutorials as well, okay? If you want to see more makeup looks and more behind the scenes stuff, you can follow my Instagram, TikTok, on Twitter. Okay, please ding the notification bell to know when I post a new video. Okay, I hope you guys stay safe, be happy, whichever lockdown you guys are probably in. Stay strong, okay? Signing off from your ABG, Charissahoo, Claire, Go, Huiyen. Bye-bye. Hello guys, I know I didn't show my sis. It's time to put the freaking tattoos. Sorry, that was entirely incoherent. Oof. In Chinese we'll call this 蜡笔小新.